Have you ever wondered how to write about the best day of your life? Welcome to the fascinating world of creative writing, a realm where personal experiences and emotions are gracefully woven into words. This video is your guide to crafting a compelling narrative about the best day of your life. From structure and atmosphere to language techniques and emotional depth, we'll explore the key elements that make a story come alive. So, stay tuned to learn how to bring your best day to life on paper. First, let's talk about structure. It's the skeleton of your story. Without structure, your story could turn into a rambling mess, confusing your readers. So how do we apply structure to writing about the best day of our lives? Think of it as a three-act play: the introduction, the body, and the conclusion. In the introduction, you set the scene. Describe where you were, who you were with, and what was happening on that special day. Next, the body is where the magic happens. This is where you delve into the details of the day. Discuss the events as they unfolded, the surprises that occurred, the people you met, the feelings you experienced. Finally, the conclusion. This is your chance to reflect on why this day was the best. What made it stand out? How did it change you? Remember, good structure makes a story easy to follow and engaging to read. Keep your readers hooked from start to finish. Now, on to creating atmosphere. It's time to set the stage. Atmosphere is the emotional tone or background that surrounds your story. It's what immerses your readers, making them feel as if they're standing right there in the world you've created. Think of it as the magic ingredient that brings your story to life. So, how do we create this atmosphere? The key lies in descriptive language and sensory details. Use words that paint a picture, that evoke the senses. Let your readers see the vibrant colors of the fairground, hear the laughter and music, smell the sweet cotton candy. Let them feel the excitement in the air. But remember, it's not just about what's happening around your character, it's also about what's happening within them. How do they react to the environment? How does it make them feel? With a well-crafted atmosphere, your readers will feel like they were there on your best day. Words are your tools. Let's explore how to use them effectively. Metaphors, similes, and personification are some of the language techniques that can give your writing a creative edge. Metaphors, for instance, are comparisons without using like or as. They can paint vivid images in the reader's mind, making your story more memorable. Similes, on the other hand, do use like or as to create comparisons. They can bring your writing to life by making connections between unfamiliar concepts and familiar ones. Now, let's talk about personification. This technique involves giving human characteristics to non-human entities. This can make your story more relatable and engaging, as it allows the reader to form emotional connections with inanimate objects or abstract ideas. So remember, metaphors, similes, and personification are not just fancy terms. They are powerful tools that can transform your writing. Mastering these language techniques will add depth and richness to your story. Writing about the best day of your life is all about emotions. It's the emotional heart of your story that will pull your readers in, making them laugh, cry, or gasp right along with you. So how can you craft such a compelling emotional journey? Start by remembering. Relive that best day and pay attention to the emotions that bubble up. Are you feeling joy, excitement, or perhaps a touch of nostalgia? Now the trick is to translate these feelings into words on a page. Use vivid, sensory language, and don't shy away from metaphors and similes. They can be powerful tools for conveying emotion. And remember, it's not just about telling your readers what you felt, but making them feel it too. By sharing your emotions, you invite your readers to feel with you. So, are you ready to write about the best day of your life? We've journeyed through the realms of creative writing, structuring, atmosphere creation, language techniques, and the power of feelings and emotions. Remember, these are your tools to craft your unique story. Use them to paint vivid pictures, to evoke emotion, to make your reader live your best day with you. And most importantly, enjoy the process. Your best day is a story only you can tell, so start writing. Before you go and start writing, Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your fellow aspiring writers, and subscribe for more creative writing insights. Stay curious, continue to explore the fascinating world of words. Remember, every great writer started with a single sentence. Your journey starts now.